Go. Oh. All right, we're gonna go right next to this orange cone right over here. That's it. Now let's have a little bit of brake. That's it. Gas now. Gas now. Easy brakes. Right turn. A little bit of gas. That's it. Remember, it's a passenger car. Right turn here. No gas yet. Patience. Gas. More. That's it. Off the gas. Left turn. Wait and go. Off the gas. Easy. And you gotta squeeze, not pound. Right turn. Little bit of gas. Now I want you to pace him. Okay, I'm gonna send you around again, but I want you to pace him. Don't back off too far.
Okay.
Don't get all over him to where we make him nervous. Okay.
You got it.
Very good. Once he pulls in, we're gonna go around again. Okay.
Sounds good.
Easy. It does it now. Okay. We're gonna make a right-hand turn coming up. He's gonna pull in. We'll go right. Ready? Turn in. No gas yet. Now a little bit more. More here now. Excellent. Now off the gas. Left turn. Little bit of gas. That's it. Little bit of brakes here. Right turn. That's it. No gas yet. Now a little bit and more. There you go. Now off the gas. Left turn. Easy. Gas. Very good. Brakes. Right turn. Now we are going to come in this time. So we're going to go through those green cones right over there. Yonder, okay? Right on through there. That's it. Start to slow down a little bit more. That's it. Stay to the right hand side for me, please.
You got it. Beautiful. Oops, sorry.
Now we're going to pull in behind the car where the guy just got out, okay?
Sounds good.
So right here, we are going to go over to our left and park right behind him.
Oh, beautiful.
And you got in before the deadline. All right, we're going to press that right there. You have a very good night.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for coming. You got one more ride, is that right?
Yes, I do. Looking forward to it. Thank you.
Take this blue one.